Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful and simple ribbing pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any cardigan, sweaters, jackets, shawls, caps. This ribbing is more elastic than other usual ribbings. From backside, our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 51 stitches, multiple of 4 stitches 12 times and plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for border. So this is our first row, slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern, purl 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now slip next stitch with yarn in back. Again knit 1 stitch. This is our first repeat pattern. Slip 1 stitch and then 4 stitches, purl 1, knit 1 and slip 1 with yarn in back and knit 1. We have to repeat these 4 stitches. Now second repeat, purl 1 and then knit 1 stitch and slip 1 stitch with yarn in back and knit 1 stitch. This is our second repeat. Now third repeat, purl 1, knit 1 stitch and then slip 1 stitch with yarn in back and knit 1. This is our third repeat. Again fourth repeat, purl 1, knit 1, slip 1 and knit 1. Repeat these 4 stitches till the end of the row. Here we have completed our first row from front side. Now let us start our second row from wrong side. Second row, knit 1 stitch and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2, second purl on previous slip stitch and then third purl stitch, knit 1 and purl 3 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat pattern, knit 1 stitch and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. This is our second repeat. Again third repeat, knit 1 stitch and then purl 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Complete the row with these 4 stitches till the end of the row. After completing 2 rows, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends, bye bye, see you.